Hi guys, welcome back. I'll show you how to download CS Mouse. First search this how to download CS Mouse mobile. When done, click the CS Mouse. Buy now. Okay, make it. Go to installments. Click the game link means Mediafire. In Mediafire, click it. When you're done, when done downloading, you're just gonna wait. And now go to Zachigo, download it. Go to the download and click the view. Download the CS mod APK. Now copy the CS mod and DG8.0. Now copy right here. Copy here. Hit this list over here. Go down. Well done. Click the CS mouse. Set. Now you don't need console. Click the setgame directory. Set launch. You don't need console. Now click launch. That's how you do it. So enjoy.